What's up, y'all? Danny from Vanlife Northwest coming to you today with this like new 1993 Toyota Townace Royal Lounge Limited. Now, from my understanding, this is the top trim level and iteration of this van from this year. Some extras like the bull bar in front, fog driving lights, four-wheel drive high and low range, manually locking hubs, and actually this model has a limited slip rear diff, which I have yet to see on a Townace, so that's pretty special all around. Consistent with the Townaces and Toyotas that we sell, we've lifted this guy about 2 inches or so, and in my opinion really unlocking the off-road capability of this rig. These are 14-inch rims and 27-inch all-terrain tires. Also, to add to the decadence and grandeur of this van here is Toyota's Skylite Roof. That's 6 separate pieces of glass that run the length of the roof here. The front two pop about 2 inches for ventilation. These middle two also pop about 2 inches, but then can be fully removed, making what's like a T-top. And the furthest rear two are fixed. All have manually controlled shades from the inside of the vehicle. Consistent with all the vans we sell, this has had a full maintenance update. So even though this van has 17,000 original miles, yes it does, we still did the full timing belt job, which includes the timing belt, water pump, thermostat. On this it has a cam, a crank, and a oil pump, oil seal to change. We did all those. We did the timing cover gaskets. We did the dual alternator belts and a power steering and AC belt. We did the fuel filter, the oil filter, and oil for the motor, front and rear diff gear oil, and transmission flush, as well as a coolant flush. This also has the lift as mentioned, brand new all-terrain tires, steering alignment, and a number of other small repairs that we always end up having to do with these things. Even a clean one like this, yes, it's 25 years old, but it has a lot of little things that need to be repaired to make it just right. That's what we do. If you're looking for a van like this, reach out and say hi. This happens to be a diesel model, so this is a CR30. It has the 2-liter 2CT turbo diesel. For some reason, the back of the van says 2.2. That's the 3CT, but it must be a transitional year, and they had the back door on this van, even though they hadn't switched the motors yet. I'm not sure. It's a weird transitional thing. But yes, this is the 2-liter 2CT. Very nice rig. Also comes in a gasoline model with the 3Y, which is the same motor found in the 84 and 85 Toyota domestic vans for the US. And those are great vans, long-lasting. Reach out, say hi, find us on Instagram, Vanlife Northwest, also Toyota Vans, and vanlifenorthwest.com. I forgot real quick, let's peek on the inside. Pristine tan-colored interior. Seven-seater. These two captain's chairs here swivel and will face forward. It's just kind of a fun position to have them faced back. There's the Skylite Roof. Alright, y'all. Thanks for checking this out. Reach out, say hi. Drive safe. See you next time. Peace.